Welcome to Backroads DIY. Here we have a 2013 Ford Fusion, and I noticed the other night that my brake lights are staying on all the time. Car is off, key is out of the ignition, the light switch is turned off, not on auto, and my brake lights stay on. I went in and tapped the pedal just to make sure nothing was stuck, but I have a feeling that my brake light switch has gone out. I know that's a common problem with some of these Ford Fusions. I think that also extends to the F-150s as well. So I went and picked up a headlight switch from Dorman, part number 926487. I bought this off Amazon and for $15, and I'll place a link for it in the description. All right, let's hop in here and see if we can get this replaced. All right, when I first found out or realized I had the issue, it was about 11 o'clock at night. I didn't feel like really messing with it a whole lot, but I also did not want my battery to run down since the lights would be on all night. So I figured I had three options. Option one was to crawl into the car and get up underneath the dash and remove the connection to the brake light switch. The second option was to get in the trunk, take off the little cover back there, and disconnect the battery. And the third option was to come up here under the hood to the fuse block. Let's see if I can do this one-handed here. Pop this open and pull the fuse. Let's flip this around. And the one I pulled here was number 46 and 7. This is the one for the tail lights. Let me grab a tool real quick and we'll pull that out. All right, we got a pair of pliers, and we'll come in here and we'll just pull that 10 amp fuse out. All right, that is out, and you can see that the tail lights are off. Now that was a good temporary solution, just to very quickly turn those lights off, but obviously you can't leave that fuse out. It does affect a couple different things. I noticed when I went in to start the car, I couldn't put it into drive. It wouldn't let me take it out of park, and also would not allow me to set the cruise control. So again, that's just a temporary fix. But now let's get up underneath the dash and see if we can replace this the switch. Let's get our part open here. I know Dorman's a great company. I ordered this, like I said, off Amazon for about 15 bucks. It does. Let's see if I can get that to focus here. It does say Ford Motor Company on there. There we go. All right, and the switch, let's move this out of the way, is located up here under the dash, right next to the brake pedal. And the piece that we're going to be replacing is this one right here. All right, the first thing we're going to do in here is grab a hold of this and turn it. It's in there really tight. Turn it clockwise until it pops out. All right, here we got it out. And now we're going to try to push this tab in. And I may have to put the phone down to do this here. Let's see if I can get it to aim up there. All right, now that we got it hanging in there, I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. But if you look right in there, there's a little tab you need to push down. You can use a screwdriver if you want. Push that tab in right there. And then we're going to try to pop that connector out. And if you can do this two-handed, I suggest you do. All right, we got that disconnected here. And here's our part that we're going to replace. So we'll grab our new part. And come here and set that back in. Snaps in there nicely. All right, let me reposition and we'll put that back in there. All right, now that we got the cable on, let's see if I can get up in here and stick it back in. Sorry, it's really hard to see down here. All right, got it. And it's provision there, I think. All right. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down here. And hopefully you're all able to still see that while I do this two-handed. All right, heard that click. Kind of have to force it in there and turn it back counterclockwise, and now it's in there nice and well. All right, let me get out of the car here. Back out of the car. Let's put our fuse back in, which is up here, and put our fuse back in the 46 and 47 slot. All right, that's in there nice and tight. Now let's go check our taillights. And our taillights are off. Awesome. I believe that wraps it up. That took maybe about 10 minutes total. Or a lot of repositioning there inside underneath the dash. But hopefully that helped you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.